suspend work for repairs,
pipe replacement,
which greatly wastes the time of our bosses. The period was also delayed. This is also the problem faced by all of us as purchasers and bosses. So all the bosses in charge of procurement of construction machinery or agricultural machinery parts must find the source factory of high-quality, high-pressure hoses. You must deeply understand the high-pressure hoses you are purchasing, the scale of the factory, and the current situation, including the equipment used in the production process. You must understand the production equipment. Only high-precision production equipment can make the quality more stable. More stable. There are many cheap high-pressure hoses on the market now, which often come from some small workshops. They don't have a stable quality, and their rubber period can't be stable. So in the process, the quality problems that arise, their after-sales service can't be guaranteed. Our Hendon City Sinopulse Co. Ltd. so far as a 15-year-old factory. Our factory has an independent R&D team. We also have an independent R&D workshop, a production workshop, a quality inspection workshop, and an independent storage workshop. We have a dedicated shipping area, and we are an integrated large-scale factory that integrates industry and trade. We don't have any middlemen. For products of the same quality, our price is more competitive. Since the establishment of our factory, for the past 15 years. We have never relied on low prices to enter the market or engaged in price wars. Instead, we have relied on the scale of our factory and our reputation for stable quality, delivery time, and after-sales service. It is only through these efforts that we can retain customers not only across the country, but also worldwide.
Only by doing so can we retain a large number of customers
for repeat purchases in large quantities in the long run. Only by doing so can we achieve long-term, large-scale repeat purchases. Currently in the market, there are many inexpensive high-pressure hoses. When purchasing, it is crucial to thoroughly understand and avoid falling into traps. You must trust that cheap hoses or products, no matter what they are. If the price is extremely low, there must be something wrong with them. Our high-quality, high-pressure hoses, high-quality products, other than being expensive, have no other issues. This is a distributor that has been purchasing for many years. And this is the conclusion. In the process of procurement. I believe you have also done some comparisons and made some comparisons. As we all know, for the same high-pressure hose, why is its price so cheap? It must be that either the quality has decreased or the service has decreased. If it has the same quality, no one will deliberately lose money. It's not too hot. That's good. Hello, all the purchasing bosses. If you are still looking for a high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory, you must come to the host's live room. Stay for a while.
The host is now giving you an in-depth understanding of our factory.
Bringing everyone to have an in-depth understanding of our factory. Up to now, our factory has 15 years of experience. The high-pressure rubber hose produced by our factory not only includes the regular ones, but also all kinds of special-shaped rubber hoses and joints. We can undertake all kinds of customization projects. We can take all the projects. We are a one-stop hydraulic factory. No matter what you are looking for, high temperature resistance, low temperature resistance, high pressure resistance, low pressure resistance, wear resistance, corrosion resistance. all kinds of high-pressure rubber hoses. And the connectors, all kinds of quality connectors are purchased in one stop in our factory. One-stop shopping greatly saves the time of our purchasers. Saves their time. And our factory covers a total area of over 100,000 square meters. The total area is over 100,000 square meters. And all the products. What's going on?
Been stuck?
Damn.
It was stuck just. Our factory not only has its own R&D team, but also a super soft tube that we have just developed, which is more suitable for your narrow space. More suitable for your narrow space. More suitable for your narrow space. And our high-pressure rubber hose
can be adapted to your scenes from 150 degrees Celsius above zero to 50 degrees Celsius below zero.
It can adapt to high and low temperatures from 150 degrees Celsius above zero to 50 degrees Celsius below zero. It can adapt to extreme working conditions. The high-pressure rubber hose has super wear resistance. The super wear resistance has greatly improved the service life of the mining rubber hose. The service life of the mining rubber hose. I believe many bosses who purchase mining rubber hoses should know that. Before. There are still many hoses on the market that are wear resistant but have a very short service life. This rubber hose didn't last a month
before the reinforcement layer was worn out. Its service life is particularly short.
After the steel wire inside the reinforcement layer is worn out, the pressure-bearing capacity is not enough. Then the rubber hose will burst and oil or gas will leak, bringing a series of troubles. A series of troubles will come. Our high-pressure rubber hose in the factory can now fully adapt to wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant conditions. Our products can adapt to mining enterprises. They have better wear resistance. Better wear resistance. Welcome to the live room, everyone. Welcome to the live room. The host is now at the source factory of high-pressure hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is the live room of the high-pressure hose source factory. You can type all your needs on the public screen. All can be typed on the public screen. We have a professional R&D team and a professional technical team. We can provide one-on-one technical guidance. Our factory is a one-stop hydraulic factory. All high-pressure hoses and joints are purchased in one stop. All are purchased in one stop. We are an integrated large factory that integrates industry and trade. We are an integrated large factory that integrates industry and trade. We have no middlemen. We have no middlemen. Same quality, but our price is more favorable. Same quality, but our price is more favorable. All friends who are still hesitating outside the live room. All friends who are still hesitating outside the live room. If you are also looking for a high-quality source factory of dried chili fruits, please don't go away from this live stream. Please don't go away from this live stream. What the host is holding now is one of our factory's regular brands. Regular brand? All the high-pressure hoses produced by our factory can adapt to any of your working conditions. Any working condition, whether it's 150 degrees Celsius or minus 50 degrees Celsius, including super wear-resistant conditions, or high anti-corrosion requirements, high anti-corrosion and super softness.
Super soft tubes can meet your needs.
We can meet your needs. Our factory has a professional sales team and a professional after-sales team. You can provide your adaptation requirements to our sales staff. We can offer you a one-on-one quotation. We can also send samples to you one-on-one. Send samples one-on-one. Send our sample book. Send our sample book. If you have any adaptation requirements for our high-pressure hoses, you can type them on the screen. On the screen, there is a contact information in the lower right corner of the live room. There is a small windmill in the lower right corner of the live room. If you are interested, you can click on the small windmill to take a look. All friends who are still hesitating outside the live room, all friends who are still looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose source factories, please don't leave this live room. Please don't leave. Can you hear me? In English. I see he has been listening. Welcome to everyone who just entered the live room. Hello, welcome to the live room. Where is the host now? This is the live stream of a high-pressure hose factory in Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City. This is the live stream of a high-pressure hose factory. If you are also looking for high-quality high-pressure hoses, or the source factory of hydraulic hoses, you must come to the host's live room. Stay for a while. Be sure to come to the host's live room. Stay for a while.
Now, let me talk about the qualifications of our factory.
Later, every qualification the host gets can be checked all over the network, and it's all available online. Our factory has been in this high-pressure hose industry for 15 years. We are not a newly opened small factory, nor are we a middleman for OEM. We are a high-tech enterprise. We are a high-tech enterprise. We are not a small OEM manufacturer, nor a small workshop. We are not a small workshop. We are a high-tech enterprise. We have a certificate of high-tech enterprise. This is also the government's recognition of our factory. This is also the recognition of our factory. The government's recognition of our factory. The second host obtained a certificate of 专精特新中小企业的认证的证书。 The second host obtained a certificate of specialized in new small and medium-sized enterprises in Hebei province. This is our Handon Sinop Hose Co. Ltd. The certificate of specialized in new small and medium-sized enterprises in Hebei province. Our factory has a full set of independent R&D team. We have our own, which is also a recognition of our factory by the government. We are not a small OEM factory, not a small workshop at all. We are a serious, specialized, and new small and medium-sized enterprise in Hebei province. What is the host holding in his hand now? Can't you see? It's okay. What the host is showing you now is our mining cotton certification, beauty certification. All specifications of our factory have been certified. We have coal safety certification. So our products can be sold to mining machinery as a standard. The host is holding the product. You can take a closer look. The host is holding an ISO 9001 certification, an international system certification. It's an international quality system certification. Bosses who often do procurement should know that. ISO 9001 International Quality System Certification needs reevaluation every year. Every year, our auditors come to the site of our factory to conduct certification for each item in our quality certification. I believe you all know that the auditors are quite strict. If our factory fails to pass the certification review, if the certification is not passed, our ISO 9001 certificate will be revoked, which will be revoked. The reason why we have been able to steadily hold this ISO 9001 certificate.
This also shows that
the stability of our factory's quality and high quality mass production. Why can we do it for a long time and be able to pass the annual review every year and pass the ISO 9001 quality certification every year? It relies on the quality of our factory, the super high quality of our factory. Our factory. From the raw materials entering the factory to production, to finished product packaging, and then to delivery. We have a standardized management process for the whole process. We have a standardized management process, and for the first raw material entering the factory. All of our raw materials are shipped directly from the top raw material manufacturers in the industry. And we have a professional quality inspection team to conduct random checks on each batch of raw materials entering the factory. We will do random checks. All unqualified raw materials will be rejected. All of them. This is also the core key to ensuring consistent quality. Because we know that the raw materials of this product are the first threshold for ensuring quality. The first threshold for ensuring quality. This is also the core key to ensuring the stability of our quality. We need to sample check every batch of raw materials. All unqualified raw materials will be rejected. This is the bottom line of our factory. This is the bottom line of our factory. Because we know that the raw material is the first threshold of product quality. Only by guarding this first threshold well, can our quality be more stable, and our quality can be more stable. Therefore, only when our raw materials are stable can our quality be stable. In the later stage of our production process, we have high-precision production equipment, and high-precision production equipment can accurately control the speed and accurately control the parameters of our production. The products produced in this way will have better quality stability. The stability of the product can be better. In the whole production line, we not only have the mutual inspection of the production workers, we also have high-precision production equipment to control and monitor the quality in real time, including the stability of our raw materials.
in our production process. We also have a professional quality inspection team to inspect the production line, to inspect, to sample, and then to our finished product packaging position. Our equipment, the control of our experimental equipment. Our experimental equipment. Performs a batch of pressure tests on each high-pressure hose in each process. Performs a pressure test, which is also a quality control in our entire process, only when each of our processes is completed, according to the standards of our factory. Can the quality of the high-pressure rubber hose we produce be more stable? The quality can be more stable. Why can our factory, a 15-year-old factory, rely on our stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service? Stable after-sales service. So, if you want to find the source factory of high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose, be sure to check out Hand and Sinop Hose Co. You must check out our factory. Our factory has been established for 15 years. And we have 15 years of experience in manufacturing high-pressure rubber hose and hydraulic hose. All of our production equipment is high precision. High precision equipment. We have high standards for quality control. We have high standards. The high-pressure rubber hose we produce are produced in accordance with international standards. We produce in accordance with international standards and refine them. We refine them. We have no middlemen. We are an integrated large-scale industry and trade factory with integrated processing and manufacturing for rubber hoses of the same quality high-pressure rubber hoses. Our price is more favorable. Our price is more favorable. So, all the bosses doing procurement. When you do procurement, I believe you must have encountered some pitfalls. So, in the process of purchasing high-pressure hoses, you must fully understand the strength of our factory and our company. Now let me talk about the advantages of our factory. Our factory has 4 unique advantages, which are irreplaceable. The first is that we have high-quality materials, high-quality raw materials. As I mentioned earlier, all the raw materials in our factory, from rubber to various auxiliary materials, and then to the steel wire in our steel wire reinforcement layer. All of our raw materials are directly shipped from the top-tier raw material manufacturers in the industry. Moreover, for every manufacturer of raw materials in our factory, we will compare them. Only high-quality raw material manufacturers will be included in our list of manufacturers, and all of our raw materials for each batch of raw materials. Before entering the factory, we will conduct a batch quality inspection. We will do a batch quality inspection and random inspection. All unqualified ones will be returned without exception. We will return all of them. The second is that we have advanced technology and process, as we just said. Not only are no 1 workshop and the no 2 workshop put into production in 2024, but also our production equipment, which are all directly from the top equipment manufacturers. All from the top equipment manufacturers. It is because of the high-precision production equipment that the high-pressure rubber hose is of more stable quality, and the precision error is smaller. In the process of each production procedure, there is an adapted standard parameter, the high-precision production equipment. Inputs the parameter standards into the computer so that it can mass produce precisely. This high-precision equipment can mass produce precisely so that our high-pressure rubber hose will be more stable in the process of use. The quality of our high-pressure rubber hose will be more stable. This is our second most irreplaceable advantage. The second most irreplaceable advantage. The third is our customized service. Customized service. I just told you. Our factory is an integrated one-stop large-scale enterprise.
And our factory has long implemented independent research and development.
Independent research and development. Independent production. We have an independent R&D team. An independent R&D team and an independent technical professional. Our professional technical team can provide one-on-one technical guidance. All adaptation scenarios for your equipment and the parameters for adapting the equipment can be connected to our sales or put on the public screen. Our technical team will provide one-on-one guidance. One-on-one guidance.
Our factory can adapt to all your customization needs. All customization needs.
This is also our third unparalleled advantage. The third unparalleled advantage. The fourth is that we have perfect after-sales service. Our factory has perfect after-sales service. Our factory has a professional sales team and professional sales management team. We can provide you with one-on-one quotations. One-on-one quotations. And also we can provide one-on-one free samples, free sample booklets. And all of the products in our factory come with a 2-year warranty. 2-year warranty.
So, our factory?
By choosing Snow Peak, you choose to be at ease, to be reassured. You can rest assured. Welcome to the live room. Welcome to the live room. The host is now in the live room of a high-pressure rubber hose and hydraulic oil hose source factory in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. The live room of the hydraulic oil hose source factory. If you are also looking for this high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose source factory, don't swipe away this live broadcast. As we all know, all the production clusters of hydraulic oil hoses are in Jing County, Hengshui City. However, since it is a cluster area, the high-pressure hoses produced there have uneven quality. Some are of good quality, while some are made in small workshops. There are many small workshops that produce low-quality products whose quality cannot be guaranteed because the equipment they use is not precise enough. The equipment is of low precision, so the quality of the products is unstable. So I would like to advise all the bosses in charge of procurement. If you are looking for a supplier with stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service, you must know about Snoopy. You must know about Snoopy. You can learn about our factory scale. The production equipment was established in 2011. It is located in the core industrial park of Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. We have a superior location. Our factory is close to the Feixiangxi Expressway exit. Only 1 kilometer away. Only 1 kilometer. Our nationwide logistics delivery is fast, and the delivery time is super stable. Our overall workshop production capacity can reach 80,000 per day. That's the daily production capacity of 80,000 meters. We have steadily solved the problem of delivery time. The delivery time problem. All large, urgent, and customized orders can be taken. All can be taken. Our factory is an integrated large-scale industry and trade factory with integrated processing and trading. We have a full set of export qualifications, and up to now, the products of our factory have been exported to more than 60 countries around the world. To more than 60 countries around the world. We not only undertake ordinary specifications of this product, but also provide customized services for special shaped hoses and joints. Because our factory is an integrated large-scale enterprise that covers the entire production and trade process. And we have also implemented independent research and development, independent production. We have a professional R&D team and a professional technical team, which can adapt to all your working condition requirements. It can adapt to all your working condition requirements. The high-pressure rubber hose produced by our factory can adapt to extremely high temperatures, from 0 to 150 degrees Celsius. 150 degrees Celsius, including extremely low temperatures, down to minus 40 or minus 50 degrees Celsius. Our high-pressure rubber hose won't crack, even at such low temperatures. And it is more flexible, and our factory has developed a highly wear-resistant rubber, which is more suitable for scenarios involving mining rubber hoses, more suitable for scenarios involving mining equipment. All of our high-pressure rubber hoses, the outer rubber, can be made more wear-resistant.
With a wear resistance 3 times better than before.
At least 3 times better than before. The products of our factory, our high-pressure rubber hoses, can meet all your working condition requirements. All working condition requirements. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live room to learn about it. Be sure to come to the host's live room to learn about it. All high-pressure rubber hoses leaving our factory will undergo a pressure test. A pressure test. We test them to twice the working pressure of our high-pressure rubber hoses and keep them pressurized for 1 minute.
We keep them pressurized for 1 minute to test the pressure.
And all of our high-pressure rubber hoses go through this test. Only after passing the test can they be released to the market. Only after passing the test can they be released to the market. This is the most critical step in ensuring quality, and it's one of our core bottom lines. We strictly avoid releasing defective products. All high-pressure rubber hoses, and for all the purchasing managers. When you purchase high-pressure rubber hoses, you must make sure to find out the strength of the factory. You must know the strength of the factory. If you are also looking for a high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose source factory, and you have any questions, you can type them on the screen. All questions can be typed on the screen. In the lower right corner of our live room, there is a small windmill. A small windmill. If you have any needs, you can contact the small windmill or click on our service small windmill. For those who just came in, please follow the host and give a like. Follow and like.
How long has it been?
What's wrong? Who said that? You should contact Mau Mau. Welcome to everyone who has just entered the live room. Welcome to everyone who has just entered the live room. The host is now in the live room of the source factory of high-pressure hoses in the Feixian Economic Development Zone, Henan City, Hebei Province. Our factory mainly deals in hydraulic hoses, various types of high-pressure hoses, including hydraulic hoses, sandblasting hoses, and air hoses, all kinds of pipe fittings. Our factory provides one-stop service. All hydraulic pipe fittings are produced in one stop, including not only the rubber hoses you need, but also hoses suitable for various scenarios. You can contact the host. And pass me the phone. I haven't finished reading it yet. I'm sorry.
It doesn't look good.
Okay. It popped out.
Why?
Four to 41. We have 20 minutes before the live stream ends. We have 20 minutes before the live stream ends. Now, I'll talk about our factory's core strength. Our factory Hand and Sinoplastic Hose Co. Ltd. was established in 2011. We have 15 years of deep cultivation in the industry. 15 years of deep cultivation in the industry. Our total plant area is over 100 mu. Over 100 mu. The total construction area of our workshop is over 100,000 square meters. We are a national high-tech enterprise and a national high-quality and specialized enterprise. We are high-tech enterprises. We are provincial specialized and new small and medium-sized enterprises. Our factory has 16 self-developed patents for hydraulic hoses. And we have an ISO 9001 certification, a quality certification system, an ISO 9001 quality certification system. This also proves the stability of our factory's quality, the stability of quality. And in our factory, now all after the first, second, and third phase of the factory are put into production. Our total production staff has reached more than 350 people, and our daily output has reached more than 80,000 meters. The daily output has reached more than 80,000 meters. All our large orders, rush orders, and customized orders can be steadily undertaken. We can all undertake steadily. All our production equipment is fully integrated, fully automatic, and high-precision production equipment. It is precisely because of this high-precision production equipment that it greatly reduces the error of manual work, the error of manual control of quality. It greatly improves the stability of our quality, greatly improves the stability of quality. And our factory has an independent R&D team. We have our own independent mixing workshop. From inner rubber to outer rubber, we have our own independent formula. We have our own independent formula. We don't need to buy it from outside. We don't need to buy rubber materials from outside. This is also an important aspect for us to precisely control the quality stability of our own products. We control from the source. Our factory has independent R&D for rubber. Our factory has an independent mixing workshop. All the inner rubber, outer rubber, and middle rubber are independently developed by us from the source. We can solve the problem of oil resistance, the oil resistance of high-pressure hoses, the wear resistance of outer rubber, including high and low temperatures, and other properties. Also, Our factory has independent experimental equipment, so we can conduct independent experimental tests at the source. We also have high temperature resistance and aging resistance tests, including low temperature tests, ozone tests, and a full process experimental equipment for pulse detonation. Our fab can do all of these. This is one of our core competitiveness. This is also the difference between a big factory and a small workshop. The difference between a core big factory and a small workshop. Our factory has an independent mixing workshop and an independent R&D team. We will continue to update and continuously upgrade and iterate our formulas so that the quality of the products produced by our factory can be further improved. And domestically, our sales channels have already covered more than 50 provinces in China. More than 50 provinces. All the auto parts industry, maintenance industry, construction machinery industry, including the coal mining industry. We have dabbled in them. And our products have been exported to more than 60 countries around the world. Exported to Russia, the Middle East, South America. Southeast Asia, exported to more than 60 countries in China. We often provide supporting construction machinery. We have been supporting all wind power generation, ships, mining projects. Our orders can be steadily undertaken. Our annual orders are all full. Our orders can be scheduled until the end of the year, and our factory has a major core advantage. Our factory not only undertakes the regular high-pressure rubber hose, we support non-standard customization because we have a full set of and a professional technical team. The technical team can support non-standard customization. It is high pressure and low temperature resistant. Special pipes, including OEM processing, including the prefabrication of rubber hose assemblies. We provide one-stop service, assemblies of rubber hoses and joints. We provide one-stop procurement. We are a one-stop hydraulic factory. This greatly reduces the time for customers to purchase separately, greatly saving everyone's time. This is also one of our core advantages. And a core advantage of Handon Sinoplastic Hose Co. Limited. We support non-standard customization. For non-standard customization, it can withstand high and low temperatures. Special hoses can adapt to your working condition with a temperature range from 150 degrees centigrade high to minus 50 degrees centigrade low. All the bosses doing procurement. If your product is used in our excavator, loader, including hydraulic drilling equipment, including the main oil pipe of the hydraulic support, our 1, 2, and 3 layers of steel wires, steel wire braided hoses, including our 4 and 6 layers of wound hoses. We undertake this ultra-high pressure. This ultra-high pressure hose can firmly undertake. Our factory's products use an oil-resistant inner rubber, an oil-resistant inner rubber layer, and with an ultra-high pressure steel wire, a steel wire reinforcement layer, combined with an outer rubber, an ultra-wear-resistant outer rubber layer, so that the rubber layer and the steel wire can fit tightly, so that there will be no delamination and bulging. No delamination and bulging. This is also the stability of our factory's product quality control. for all high-pressure hoses under various working conditions. For the regular high-pressure hoses, their temperature can withstand from minus 40 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. This is our regular high-pressure hose. This is our regular high-pressure hose. These customized ones, customized special-shaped hoses, and special-shaped hoses can work under the condition from minus 50 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. This is about adaptability to working conditions. All of our products can be customized in the factory. We support non-standard customization. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure hoses, you can come to my live room, follow me, and later, in every live broadcast, I will talk about adaptability to working condition scenarios. 适配的场景，适配的场景。In the extremely cold weather in the north, the high-pressure rubber hose can experience temperatures that are too low. Then the rubber hose may burst or crack. In our factory, the extremely cold-proof rubber hose has been independently developed with special temperature resistance series. We have our own formula, whether it is in extremely cold regions or high-temperature equipment. Many purchasing bosses can't find the extremely cold-proof or high-temperature resistant hoses. Our factory already has our own formula. Our factory can take this job easily. The extremely cold temperature can be as low as minus 45 degrees centigrade or even minus 55 degrees centigrade. In the mines in northeast China, Russia, and Inner Mongolia, our high-pressure hoses are suitable for use in areas with extreme temperatures. Our hoses will not harden or crack. They are specially designed for outdoor equipment in winter. Designed for outdoor use in winter, in extremely cold conditions. Our high-pressure hoses won't crack even at minus 45 degrees Celsius or minus 55 degrees Celsius. They won't harden or crack.
This is the core of our development. It's our factory's exclusive formula.
We have developed this super flexible and cold-resistant high-pressure hose. The second type is a high-temperature resistant type. 135摄氏度 It is used in high-temperature equipment and high-temperature resistant hydraulic hoses. All steel mills, hot pressing machines, and high-temperature hydraulic systems use this type of high-pressure hose. It is an ultra-high temperature type, from 135摄氏度 to 150摄氏度 below zero. Our factory's high-pressure hoses are all fully compatible and can be fully adapted. The third type is a special medium, including its acid and alkali resistance, methanol resistance, and high-pressure hoses for high-pressure cleaners. High-pressure rubber hoses, which our factory can handle well, we can take them. Our advantage is that many factories on the market can only produce regular models, ranging from minus 40 degrees to 100 degrees Celsius. But for our special rubber hoses, we have complete inspection reports, and they are exported to countries with extremely cold climates, where there is a constant high volume of sales. They can be customized in any diameter and length. Any diameter, any length. We export them to countries with extremely cold climates all year round. Our high-pressure rubber hoses can still function normally, without bursting or becoming too hard in extremely cold conditions. They won't become too hard.
We can fully customize them according to your requirements.
Any diameter, any length. This is one of our factory's biggest advantages. This is also the contribution of our R&D team. We have an independent R&D team and professional technical personnel. In addition to high-pressure hydraulic hoses, our industrial fluid hoses cover all categories. And we offer one-stop shopping. All high-pressure cleaning hoses, air machine hoses, including our oil suction and drainage hoses, water delivery rubber hoses, mud hoses, agricultural irrigation hoses, including PVC fiber hoses, cotton braided low-pressure hoses. We have them all. Our factory can provide mass customization services. All can be customized in large quantities. Our factory is a one-stop hydraulic factory with high-pressure hoses of various specifications, diameters, and lengths. We also do customized high-pressure hoses. We can provide one-on-one customization for you and for our connectors, whether it's 45 degrees, 90 degrees, or 90-degree elbows, all kinds of connectors. We have complete sets of them. We have not only American and British standards, but also domestic standards, including flanged and non-flanged ones, galvanized and non-galvanized ones, carbon steel and stainless steel ones are all available. They are all optional. Our high-pressure rubber hose and connectors, all purchased in one stop. One-stop purchase means that clients only need to provide the pressure, length, and equipment model. And our factory can directly make samples for you. We can make samples directly for you, and we will ship them to you. Our factory is an integrated, large-scale technology industry and trade factory that supports the printing of our customer's brand logo. We support brand printing, including your packaging. Our factory can provide one-to-one customization. All right, today's live broadcast is coming to an end. All the bosses doing procurement or the bosses doing construction machinery. If you are also looking for the source factory of high-quality, high-pressure hoses, or if you are looking for a one-stop hydraulic factory, we are all one-stop procurement, greatly saving your procurement cost and time. If you have any needs, you can click on the small windmill in the lower right corner of the live broadcast. Our live broadcast today is over now. Tomorrow at the same time, the host will continue to explain to you and take you to learn about our products. Go to learn about our factory. Today's live broadcast is over here. See you next time. Let's continue tomorrow. Goodbye.